Assalamu alaikum students. This is our lecture number 5 regarding electrochemistry. A question to the NCERT book pet likhit to calculate the charge in coulombs required to reduce 1 mole of Cr2O7 to negative ions. यथ पे करो आज कत ये लास्ट प्रॉब्लम बाकी अगर तुम कुछ प्रॉब्लम कुछ इश्यू यी तुम करो मैसेज तथ पे यम त पॉसिबल न्यूमेरिकल्स अत मज तथ मुतलिक दित आइडिया तो कैंसन मुतलिक कोर क्या प्रॉब्लम कर सॉल्व तक वनिक तान तो दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम दैट हैज बीन posed or asked in your NCERT book. When we see Cr2O7 to negative ions अगर इन पे नजर त्राव रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन मज मे तुम वोनमुत पॉइंट यम सात एलिमेंट हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेटस मज सह एक्ट करान एज ए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट यानी बेस मज ऑक्सीडेशन करान पानस तमिस गसान रिडक्शन लाजमी कत हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेटस पे स्पीशी वाज तम पे तथ लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गि लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन तमिस अक पॉसिबिलिटी दैट इज द गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिडक्शन पानस गि रिडक्शन बेस खतर एक्ट करान एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट सो इन Cr2O7 2 negative if you see the oxidation state of chromium, the oxidation state of chromium is +6 and +6 is the highest oxidation state of chromium, and in its highest oxidation state this Cr2O7 2 negative ion you can act as oxidizing agent. तवे question वनान calculate the charge in coulombs required to reduce गो पानस गस एमिस reduction base करना ये oxidation. Now यम साथ reduction अद गस oxidation state यो जंच oxidation state गस लाजमी decrease. Reduction is decrease in oxidation state. Here oxidation state of chromium is +6. So the process will be followed by the decrease in oxidation state. Dayim cheez reduction is gain of electrons, reduction is the gain of hydrogen or addition of hydrogen. Redox reaction must chess balanced chemical equation या balanced chemical reaction kitken chess lekhan. So if you want to balance this reaction, there are 7 oxygen atoms. Mesh wonmut that step number 1, balance every atom other than oxygen. So we need to balance chromium ions, twice Cr3 negative ions, 3 positive ions. बाकी बचे 7 oxygen atoms. यपर शाबाश मे वोनमुत इन सात कर दोन अड़िस मिनटस मज करान क्या बैलेंस रिएक्शन 7s2 there are 14 hydrogen atoms meaning thereby यपर गसन 14 H positive ions. तम पे मे लास्ट स्टेपस मज बैलेंस चार्ज कित करो बैलेंस चार्ज तपर करो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एड यपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज्यादा यपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज 6 पॉजिटिव यपर 14 पॉजिटिव -2 नेगेटिव इज 12 पॉजिटिव यपर 12 यूनिट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज यपर 6 यूनिट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन तपर एड कर यपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज्यादा देर आर 12 यूनिट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज कित बन इक्वल टू 6 पॉजिटिव यम सात अत दियो 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यह बने तुहज बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन या रिएक्शन सो दिस इज द रिडक्शन ऑफ Cr2O7 2 negative ions involving the acceptance of electrons. दयिम चीज यस रात में कत कर सवन में वैलेंसी फैक्टर कड़न बिल्कुल ईजी यम सात बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन अगर ये बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन मज तुम पृछो Cr2O7 2 negative ions क्या वैलेंसी फैक्टर सो वैलेंसी फैक्टर कमुक ऑफ Cr2O7 2 negative ion यो मे रात ही that this is equal to the number of electrons involved, that is equal to 6 divided by stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficient is equal to 1, so its valency factor is equal to 6. Valency factor दोयम चीज अगर इक्विवेलेंट मास कड़ोत या इक्विवेलेंट वेट कड़ोस, इक्विवेलेंट वेट is equal to Cr2O7 2 negative is equal to कथ बराबर ये गोस बराबर molar mass divided by valency factor. Kartas molar mass Cr2O7 2 negative ions to molar mass current. This is equal to 2 into 52 for chromium plus 7 into 16. So if you solve this, this is 104 plus 42, 112. So this is equal to 216. Zahat Shura. So this is it as molar mass. So molar mass agar bas substitute kare then that is equal to 216 divided by 6. ये बनो अथ equivalent mass. हम पच्ची बिल्कुल easy problem. Conclusion इमेज हम इच्छिन Faraday's laws the moment करोस conclusion number 2 it input the this efficiency of cell is not mentioned. The मतलब efficiency must equal to 100%. Need has no value equal to 1. फिलहाल वो Cr2O7 2 negative ions तम साथ reduction गसन ची गस reduced to Cr3 positive ions balance करस chemical reaction. This reaction कित केन करस balance. This is a redox reaction, and then we see the gain of electrons takes place. This is reduction reaction. Sorry, this is reduction reaction. यात मस क्या शे गसन oxidation reduction reaction balance करना शेष तरीक कि गोडनेथ करोस balance every atom other than oxygen and hydrogen then कर balance. This is twice, and then Cr3 positive. There are 7 oxygen atoms. Therefore, there are 7 water molecules on the productive side. 14 hydrogen atoms, 14 H positive, and then balancing charge by adding electron to the side having more units of positive charge. Then valency factor as formula valency factor chasan equal to the number of electrons involved divided by stoichiometric coefficient. So for Cr2O7 2 negative valency factor is equal to 6 by 1, that's equal to 6. So this helps me in calculating the value of equivalent weight, that is equal to molar mass divided by valency factor. Molar mass is equal to 216 then divided by 6, and this is it is equivalent weight. शाबाश. हम पद कैसा करो, हम पद गई डायरेक्ट फार्मूला यूज करें चार्ज कैलकुलेट करनस. वी हैव द एक्सप्रेशन, क्या एक्सप्रेशन निश दैट वेट ऑफ द सबस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू इक्विवेलेंट वेट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय चार्ज इन कूलम्स डिवाइडेड बाय 96500, and then multiplying by neta. Attention, efficiency of cell kath karit kihin. So we have to assume that the efficiency of cell is equal to 100%. This is a value. Q is equal to Q was called a value. This is equal to weight multiplied by 96500. Shabash. Weight into divided by equivalent weight. So she question 1 required to reduce 1 mole of Cr2O7 2 negative ions. So the weight of the substance, you say then you 1 mole लिखित 1 mole is equal to kath barabar kamik 1 mole of Cr2O7 2 negative ionic weight which was that is equal to it is molar mass. So molar mass को is 1 barabar that is equal to 216 grams. So let us substitute. Weight is equal to 216 divided by equivalent weight is 216 divided by 6, so that's multiplication, and then multiplied by 96500 coulombs. This cancels, sorry, this is 6 into 96500 coulombs, this cancels, so this is equal to 6 into 96500 solve. This is the value of the charge in coulombs required for reduction of 1 mole of Cr2O7 2 negative ions into Cr3 positive ions. शाबाश बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन लिख मे तत पे कोड़ मे इक्विवेलेंट वेट sorry तत पे कोड़ मे वैलेंसी फैक्टर दुत मे मदद इन कैलकुलेटिंग द इक्विवेलेंट वेट यम साथ इक्विवेलेंट वेट वैल्यू द्राव एक्सप्रेशन दिस इज कंक्लूजन नंबर 2 इस अम्ब्रोट कत weight is equal to equivalent weight divided by 96500 multiplied by q अगर efficiency आसे mention करे तल दिमा बत multiply by neta so that is q is equal to weight of the substance multiplied by 96500 divided by equivalent weight of the substance is 1 mole of Cr2O72 negative ions that is equal to 216 grams. We have substituted the value of weight of the substance and the equivalent weight and solving this is equal to 6 into 96500 coulombs. This is precise value 96500 coulombs is numerical assumption otherwise agar exact value percent that is equal to 96485 or 96487 coulombs you calculate for the charge of 1 mole of electrons. Anyways, so this is the answer in terms of Faradays. This is equal to 6 Faradays, but question should have calculate the charge in coulombs. तभी तुम्हें ये answer दे coulombs समझ. चलिए, वहाँ सटा numerical on Faraday's laws and quantitative aspect of electrolysis. Moving on. Last portion of this unit is electrolytic conduction. We have almost finished this unit now. Yat lagan kamai lecture zitre ya 4 lecture tan lagnas ta iskaro ye finish electrolytic conduction. Beta yem satan is process of electrolysis per tam satan chess asal pot samujhmut electrolytic cell z electrodes आसान x electrodes नाव cathode base electrodes नाव this is cathode base electrodes नाव anode which is positively charged अम्पत वनस theory of ionization चुवानान electrolytes निमहोन molten और aqueous status मज dissociate गसान into cations and anions. Positively charged ions to move towards cathode, negatively charged ions to move towards anode. So within the electrolytic cell there is movement of ions, both cations as well as ions. Then we have seen the case in case of molten electrolyte and the case of the electrolyte taken in aqueous solution. Dashwani केसन मज positively charged ions खाली फर्क in aqueous solution there is competition और इम साथ में कत कर discharge potential मगर नटशेलस मज positively charged ions गसान move towards cathode, negatively charged ions गसान move towards anode. So within the electrolytic cell there is movement of ions. Kam ions most probably the ions of electrolyte. Now the movement of ions means the movement of charge, and movement of charge is conduction or the electricity. Then we say this conduction is known as electrolytic conduction. Achis naavana electrolytic conduction. So andrikan electrolytic cell must movement of ions gasan. Movement of ions means flow of charge. So flow of charge means is charge because of the flow of ions within the electrolyte or the ions from the electrolytic solution. Therefore, this is known as electrolytic conduction. Now, there are some points of importance regarding electrolytic conduction. But before we see those points, let us see the types of conductor. Conductor कथ करो अस वातन पन्नसी टॉपिकस पे, that is electrolytic conduction. So electrolytes मज यम साथ electrolysis करान conduction is because of the ions present in या produced from electrolyte or produced from electrolytic solution. So that is acting as a conductor. मगर conductor ज़ किस्म. Number one is known as electronic conductor. Jaldi pahawan ha. Conductor च ज़ किस्म. Akh conductor go electronic conductor. ठीक यथ मुतलिक च ज़्यादा कथ करन के यम च तिम conductors येल यमो मज electrons flow गसान च या वन बह तिम conductors यम electricity यमो मज flow of charge गसान च पछन तिम conductors dissociate गसान किया ordinary wires यम जन अस निश आसान च be that platinum wire copper wire यो जन च तिमो मज च flow of electrons गसान therefore they are acting as conductors मगर सा copper wire या platinum wire च dissociate गसान किया and the flow of or the flow this electricity is the electricity is because of the flow of electrons or the conduction is because of the flow of electrons tavashes timan conductor naw wana tim gay electronic conductors dayim conductor go tel ye hay yath ba naw wan electrolytic conductor electrolytic conductors must क्या actually यम साथ असी electrolyte निवान च यम साथ conduction गसान च flow of charge गसान च या तम रोते actually इस conductor च यह च dissociate गसान it's a conductor which dissociates and then produces dissociate का मतलब च गसान dissociates into positively charged ions and negatively charged ions and then produces or this allows the conduction. So such a conductor is known as electrolytic conductor. Now the electrolytic conductors are simply, we can say these are simply these are simply electrolytes. Ashkat noman his current Ashton current electronic conductor his got kiya physics as अच्छा बेटा यम साथ अस वन electrolytic conductor and his काथ करो या electrolyte and his काथ करो conduction is because of ions. This is very simple. Now conduction these electrolytic conductors simzan ch yos iman mas conduction gais electrolytes is split gasan into cations and anions movement of ions to gasan towards their respective electrodes yathas now one electrolytic conduction ye electrolytic conduction common factor and patch depend karan is god me heading le shape kan so tam don't ditna thoda bahut idea to conductor so we have to see actually what are the factors on which electrolytic conduction depends. Electrolytic conduction common factor and patch depend karan. How sadyan? Number one factor usanche the first factor on which the electrolytic conduction depends is the nature of electrolyte. Now the electrolytic conduction is seen in case of electrolytes. So गोडनिक फैक्टर च यथ पे इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्शन आसे कम किन कंडक्शन आसे ज्यादा तिश मान वनुक मकसद सु डिपेंड करान ऑन द नेचर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. नाउ इलेक्ट्रोलाइटन मज अगर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट च स्ट्रांग meaning thereby electrolytes ch gasan almost complete dissociation matlab go we get maximum number of cations and anions from it. The electrolyte is almost split into its corresponding ions. So such a zyada number of cations and zyada number of anions mainly from a strong electrolyte. The unreconciled electrolyte within the electrolytic cell, the conduction is because of the movement of ions. When there are more number of ions, whether positively charged or negatively charged ions, there will be more electrolytic conduction. Conversely, agar electrolyte asnish asi weak electrolyte gases dissociate incompletely. Incompletely dayim. Incomplete dissociation means पूर गो dissociate क्या दयिम सूत कूता dissociate गसान वारिया कम ची dissociate गसान. So that is weak dissociation. अगर weak dissociation गए you are going to get feeble number of cations and anions, very lesser number of cations and anions in the electrolyte. So that's a calm number of cations and anions in electrolyte, and electrolytic conduction is because of these cations and anions. It is expected that out of these two electrolytes, the electrolytic conduction will be more in case of strong electrolytes. Dayim cheez strong electrolytes kam agar equilibrium tay asl pat samujhmut chu tachu tay Arrhenius concept of acids and bases wushmut ya sorry equilibrium ch based on the dissociation of substances. Yem saat molecular ionic equilibrium ch kath tay karan chu taten ch acid and base the salt and his kath karmut. Strong electrolytes example agar is demo is the post strong electrolytes, the strong acids and bases yem zanche. Strong acids and bases are strong electrolytes because strong acid is an acid which dissociates completely. Strong base is a base which dissociates completely in its aqueous solution. So if we have an electrolyte which is a strong acid or a strong base, then that's a strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte dissociates almost completely, then we get maximum number of cations and anions. Therefore more number of cations and anions means more electrolytic conduction. Strong acids example agar demo mineral acids we have HCl, we have then this we have nitric acid, and this we have we have this HNO3 nitric acid, and then we have this sulfuric acid H2SO4, and then we have HCl. These are strong acids. Strong base and his agar example is the mo yim act karan as strong electrolytes. Then we have potassium hydroxide, we have sodium hydroxide. This is point number 1. Point number 2 gonna tell that is munis earthmans that weak electrolyte asin agar strong electrolyte is example ch strong acids and strong bases, and as well as the inorganic salts. All inorganic salts are strong electrolytes. So weak electrolyte is an example of weak acids and weak bases. Agar weak acid या weak base या weak electrolyte means lesser number of cations and anions will be produced. Electrolytic conduction kam. Say for example we have the example of ammonium hydroxide, we have the example of calcium hydroxide. These are weak bases. Similarly weak acid his kath agar karo, carbonic acid ch weak acid, phosphoric acid H3PO4 using this is weak acid, so on and so forth. Hydrogen cyanide is the example of weak acid HCN. This is weak acid. So point number 1, when the nature of electrolyte especially depend on electrolytic conduction. Agar electrolytes strong goes in the examples of strong acids and strong bases and all inorganic acids, those involve those are strong electrolytes. Therefore electrolytic conduction ch timan mas zyada paham, and then weak electrolyte agar not shells mas one strong electrolyte weak electrolytes mas agar as one asi electrolytic conduction kath mas asi zyada electrolytic conduction asi zyada tat electrolytes mas yus strong asi. Dayim cheez, this is number 1 factor. Second factor is 2, the nature of solvent. बेटा इसमें क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, यूस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स डिजॉल्व गसान या स्प्लिट गसान मोर इन पोलर सॉल्वेंट्स. यह वुचमुत यह केस तिकाज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट पान सु सबस्टेंस यमिस मज टेंडेंसी या युस कैटायन तो एनायन हेकि दित. कोवलेंट मॉलिक्यूलर मज तिमे सबस्टेंसेस एक्ट करान एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. यम पोलर सबस्टेंसेस आसन, नॉन पोलर सबस्टेंसेस एक्ट करान एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स कह. सो वी हैव सीन द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आर soluble या they dissociate in polar solvents. अगर पोलर सॉल्वेंटन मज ये डिसोसिएट गसान ज़्यादा, तमिक मतलब गो ये दैट मोर is the polarity of solvent. Yutha solvent is zyada asi polarity. More is the polarity of solvent. We can say more is the electrolytic conduction. Electrolytes asi conduction. मतलब क्या गो? अगर अख इलेक्ट्रोलाइट से दोन अलग अलग सॉल्वेंटन मज नीहन डिसॉल्व करहन से या डिसोसिएट करहन से युस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मोर पोलर आसे ज्यादा पोलर आसे तथ मज गसी डिसोसिएशन ज्यादा गसनुक मतलब गो cations to anions मिलने से ज्यादा you will get more number of cations and anions and that means more electrolytic conduction. Point number 2, now when the ions are produced from electrolyte, apart from polarity of the solvent, agar solvent आसी viscous, ब्याक solvent च non viscous, dissociation च solvent this electrolyte is gums, movement of ion ch obviously difficulty in a solvent which is more viscous. Ta matlab go more is the viscosity, it's a viscosity solvent as zyada aasi tisa aasi electrolytic conduction come. This is point number 2 that you have to remember in case of nature of solvent. So nature of solvent is known में electrolytes to dissociate gasan polar solvent and mas yita मतलब go yuta polarity solvent is zyada aasi tisa aasi electrolytic conduction zyada. 1 2 that is a viscosity solvent is zyada aasi yuta viscous solvent zyada tisa shi movement of ion difficult electrolytic conduction aasi tisa come. Factor number 3 is very important. Factor number 3 is third factor is size of ions. Size of ions produced and their solvation ये कत मे बॉन्डिंग मज तय कर्म यम सात आयोनिक मोबिलिटी हज कत करान यम सात मे हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी पर्नो सॉल्वेशन एनर्जी पर्नो एंड देन सॉल्युबिलिटी तक पर्नो वुनिक तान बह इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सेम थवान पत दपान सॉल्वेंट अगर कम पोलर आ ज्यादा पोलर तेल यन पोलैरिटी ज्यादा तथ मज दिस इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक कंडक्शन ज्यादा दमिस केसस मज वो मे सॉल्वेंटस अगर विस्कोसिटी अकिस मज कम बेस मज ज्यादा मगर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बह सेम थवान. Now here size of ions means that अगर चे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिफरेंट अख इलेक्ट्रोलाइट चे त्युत यथ मज size of ions आसी मोर ब्याक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट त्यु सह तिम आयोन्स दिवान यथ मज size of ions युजन that is less. Now ignoring all other factors solvation करन बह फिलहाल फैक्ट यतन क्या वन ignore. So it is expected यूता size of ion आसी ज्यादा तीचा difficulty गसी difficulty यमिस ionus movement करनस में मतलब गो neglecting other factors, then we have more is the size of the ions and then we see what does it mean. It means more is the difficulty in movement or we say then less is the electrolytic conduction. मगर इतन जरूरी कत ब्याक यम सात केमिकल बॉन्डिंग पर तम सात वो सॉल्वेशन हिंस या सॉल्युबिलिटी हिंस कत बह करान कि यम सात आयोन्स प्रोड्यूस गसान सॉल्वेंटस मज then say for example this is ion produced from a substance, this is the other ion produced from the same substance, then the solvent molecules which are polar im surround karan all over and then in such a way that their opposite ends face each other. Say for example this is water on negative portion and then we have positive and then positive negative ends gasan face so amiskun tam satan chess vurmut yat ion chess now one hydrated ion. The process is known as this is solvated ion and the process is known as solvation. And then if the solvent is water then we say this is hydration and then solvation yitsa zyada gas Tuta gasi solvated ion. Yes, ion asi solvated size asi zyada. Ish me vonmut. Mas be pevan repeat karon zyada karun katha at mutlik kem. Yicha solvated ion size zyada asi. Teacher gasi movement of the ion. Yam ionic mobility is kath kar teacher gasi movement of ion difficult. Ithe kan yos anions kath karvas agar anions mans solvent molecules ch variya zyada emis surround karan yos hydrated ion ya solvated ion ch ohon size go zyada movement gasi emis difficult. Then solvation kath per ch depend karan solvation as ches won mutam satan solvation ch depend karan charge density pet. Solvation should depend on charge density of ion. Charge density. Solvation is directly proportional to charge of ion, and it is inversely proportional to size of ion. Godniyat osus ba wanan agar size of ion asi zyada size of ion asi zyada tam sat me baki factor agar neglect kare movement has gasi difficult. Magar here agar solvation ions gasan agar hydration ions gasan tel chahiye ki solvation is inversely proportional to the size of the ion. Lesser is the size of the ion, more is the solvation. More is the solvation, more is the size of solvated ion. More is the size of solvated ion, difficulty it is for the ion to move. That means ionic mobility. Yeah, this electrolytic conduction has asi difficulty. Em sat agar yaad asyu tai me lithium positive which example to this cesium positive which example to this water must dissolve karhon lithium positive ions ch size variya kam and then charge density ch zyada. Then concentrated charge it will attract more number of solvent molecules. Solvent size is hydrated ion ch on size asi kam zyada hydrated ions ch move gasun difficult. Cesium positive ions ch size ch that is more charge usan ch that is not concentrated tuta concentrated ch ke lithium positive ch yim emis solvent molecules surround asan karan tim asan kam hydrated ion yasan ch cesium positive such kam size of solvated ion ahas movement gasi difficult movement ge difficult tamik matlab go electrolytic conduction gasi kam agar me asi cesium chloride be side asem lithium chloride so Li positive ions move karun ch difficult yemis movement cesium positive ion is solvated ion ch tahas movement ch variya easy time ch kam. Yat mutlik chh me zyada kat kan ke tika solvation chs variya zyada asal pach parmas jam satan me solubility parnamus ch. So third factor thi to ya size of ion is produced. Size of ion generally is one of the size asi zyada ions and hun magar tam sat chh solvation neglect karan. So expected ch agar ion ch size zyada base ch kam yem size zyada asi movement ch them is difficult. Agar movement tahas difficult karan ch ta matlab go yes electrolytic conduction asi at electrolytes ma sasi difficult. Number 1. Number 2 is that when satan one ion is produced gai abas mas gai solvation. Solvation mas kya gai solvation depend karan on charge density of ions. Then solvated ion ch bana solvated ion yuta size zyada asi teacher gasi movement difficult magar ya per ch high solvation depend karan on the charge of the ion as well as size of ion, meaning thereby if we have two electrolytes x electrolytes must just size almost comparable then charges must farak yawan yemis charge asi zyada tam matlab go tat maza solvation zyada solvation ge zyada solvated ion is size zyada solvated ion size go zyada tam matlab go movement asi difficult. So यथ मुतलिक छन ज़्यादा कथ करने क्या यह क्यों तो असल पट अंडरस्टैंड करित आयोनिक मोबिलिटी करते होते रिप्लेस बाय इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्शन. So this is the same topic that we have discussed earlier. Tomorrow we'll see factor 4 and 5, then we will move to the last topic of this unit.